We're a sugar company based in the northeast of Swaziland. We're a big exporter of sugar, 70 kilometers wide by 50 kilometers. We have outposts, we have villages, we have telephones, we have offices. So yeah, getting information backwards and forwards is a challenge.
We needed to find a different way to engage with the business.
The design thinking approach brought a range of our managers together to sit down to talk about the business issues.
How each person is able to do their work on a day-to-day basis.
The headaches,
The opportunities.
and the needs.
Negative trends.
It enabled the farmers and the engineers to really come out with their issues, with their problems, but also with their solutions.
It's my guys understanding what they need, and then Dimension Data and Bright House has the solutions.
We selected and prioritized 4 different areas: the vehicle logistics and the inbound cane, the crop, how we can better monitor and improve the crop growth, water automation, and one was around the factory. What we discovered in the farm is that we do have a lot of data. We have a lot of information out across the farm, and what we needed from an IoT perspective was to bring that data together. Sensors have become a lot more affordable, the connectivity is much easier, and we have the bandwidth. And I think those combination of those 3 things are what's putting IoT at the forefront.
In terms of the Internet of Things, the IoT, the benefit for our cane haulage and our cane logistics is knowing exactly where each truck is.
We're able to look at things like the oil temperature in the vehicles, or the brake temperature, tire pressures, and give us a story about the life of the truck.
It's live data that we can move and make decisions straight away that enable the factory to keep going 24/7. We can test and check where's our water, where's it going, where's the demand. So we get the water in the right place at the right time.
We also are visualizing the weather data, so that if it's raining, we can switch our pumps off.
We're putting in more and more modern equipment that's able to talk back to us, and it's enabling us to control the factory better. We monitor the crop, either with drones or with satellite.
And this enables us to look at the vegetative index, which tells us how things are growing.
It's all about improving yields, because at the end of the day, the more cane we can grow, the more sugar we produce, the lower our unit cost becomes.
Nothing grows in the office. It's really important that people have the information that they need, where they need it and when they need it.
To put that information in his hand makes him so much more dynamic.
We can actually start adding value to the business. We can do things much quicker. We can do things much more efficiently. It will enable us as humans to spend more time on the important things. It also affords RSCC the opportunity to branch into new markets, to branch into new products.
That's the thing with technology, is that it sparks off the ideas within the company. So for us, I think it's a catalyst to new and improved processes in the future.
It's been incredible to see the input and the amount of interest that Bright House and their executives and Dimension Data and high up in SAP, all the way to the top, have become in our project.
We're looking at being one of the best sugar companies in the world, and I believe that Bright House and Dimension Data is the company that will take us there.